Hello students, let us continue the lesson metals and non-metals. In class 9th, you have learnt to write the electronic configuration of the elements. Let us write the electronic configuration of some of the elements. Hydrogen, its symbol is H. Its electronic configuration is, atomic number is 1. Its electronic configuration is 1s1. Because number of electrons, only one electron it has. Oxygen, its symbol is O. Atomic number is 8. Electronic configuration is 1s2, first shell. After filling the first shell, electrons go to the second shell, 2s2, 2p4. Sodium, its symbol is Na, natrium. What is its atomic number? 11. Now, electronic configuration. First shell, K shell finish. Now electrons go to the second shell, 2s2, 2p6. After filling second shell, electrons go to the third shell. You count the number of electrons, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6, 10. Electron goes to the third shell, 3s1. Chlorine, its symbol is 7. Cl, its atomic number is 17. Write its electronic configuration 1s2. After filling the first shell, electrons go to the second shell, 2s2, 2p6. Now electrons go to the third shell, 3s2, 3p. We want 17 electrons count. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 5, it is 17. Magnesium, what is its symbol? Mg. Its atomic number is 12. Write its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Now in the first shell 2 electrons. In the second shell 2 plus 6, 8 electrons. In the third shell there are 2 electrons. Chlorine, first shell 2 electrons. Second shell 2 plus 6, 8 electrons. Third shell 2 plus 5, 7 electrons. Sodium, first shell 2 electrons. Second shell 8 electrons. Third shell there is 1 electron. Oxygen, first shell 2 electrons. Second shell 2 plus 4, 6 electrons. For hydrogen, it has only 1 electron. There is only 1 shell. Now I will teach you to write electron dot structure. Hydrogen, its electronic configuration is 1s1. It has 1 electron in its s shell. The capacity of s is 2 electrons. There is a shortage of 1 electron. So its dot structure can be written as H and you write 1 electron. Oxygen, in the first shell 2 electrons. In the second shell 6 electrons. Look at the outermost shell. 2 plus 4, 6 electrons. Capacity of P is 6 electrons. So for P, there is a shortage of 2 electrons. So this its dot structure can be written as oxygen O. Write these electrons first. 2 plus 4, 6 electrons. These 6 electrons can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is shortage of how many electrons? 4 plus 2, 6. So there is shortage of 2 electrons. Now leave this place as blank because it is receiving 2 electrons from the other atom to make its outermost shell, to fill its outermost shell. 2 plus 6 will be 8. So it attains the octet configuration by receiving 2 electrons from the neighboring atom. Now for sodium, in the first shell 2 electrons, second shell 8 electrons, third shell there is only 1 electron. Sodium is losing its 1 electron from the outermost shell and it attains the octet configuration 2, 8. This is 2, 2 plus 6, 8. It is losing its electron from the outermost shell. Its dot structure can be written as Na, 1 electron. It is losing this electron. Chlorine, first shell, second shell, third shell. 3s2, 3p5. In the outermost shell, there are how many electrons? 2 plus 5, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It receives 1 electron from the neighboring atom because the capacity of P is 6. Magnesium, Mg, 2 electrons, 8 electrons, 2 electrons. For magnesium, it is easy to lose these 2 electrons from the outermost shell. Write how many electrons here? 2. Write 2 dots. This is the dot structure of magnesium atom. Let us learn how sodium chloride is formed. Common salt is formed. Common salt is formed by the combination of sodium atom and chlorine atom. Sodium, you know its electronic configuration and you know its dot structure. Electronic configuration, I'll write once again. Sodium 11, atomic number 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 electrons in the second shell. In the third shell, there is only 1 electron. To attain the octet configuration, octet is in the outermost shell 8 electrons. Sodium is losing this electron. So, it becomes sodium 2, 8, 1. It has 11 electrons here. Sodium is losing this electron and it becomes Na+. It is losing 1 electron. It becomes sodium ion or it is called sodium cation. Cation. Positively charged ions are known as cations. It is losing how many electrons? 1 electron. You write here E minus. You know the electronic configuration of chlorine. Cl. Atomic number is 17. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. In the first shell 2 electrons, second shell 8 electrons. In the third shell there are 7 electrons. See here, sodium, it has only 1 electron. For sodium, it is easy to lose 1 electron, donate 1 electron. But for chlorine, in the outermost shell, how many electrons? 2 plus 5, 7 electrons. The capacity of P is 6. But here 5 electrons. There is a shortage of 1 electron. So, it is receiving 1 electron from sodium atom. How it receives, you see, chlorine 2, 8, 7. Now, it receives the electron lost by sodium is gained by chlorine. It is receiving 1 electron from sodium. So, it becomes Cl minus. This is called chloride. CHLORIDE, chloride anion. Chloride anion. It is receiving 1 electron and it is chloride anion. Now, write the dot structure of sodium. Sodium is donating 1 electron. So, you write here, this is the dot structure. Plus, chlorine is gaining the electron lost by sodium atom. It has 7 electrons. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, this sodium is losing the electron that is received by chlorine. Now, it is sodium is donating 1 electron. It is Na plus, sodium cation or cation. Now, chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, this electron from here comes here. It receives, chlorine receives the electron lost by sodium. It becomes, here it is gaining 1 electron. You write here minus. This is how sodium chloride is formed. As sodium and chloride ions are oppositely charged, they attract each other by a strong electrostatic force of attraction to form sodium chloride. Let us see how magnesium chloride is formed. You know that magnesium chloride is MgCl2. I'll write the dot structure of magnesium. Magnesium atomic number is 12. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Magnesium atom with how many electrons? 2, 8, 2. Magnesium is losing these 2 electrons from the outermost shell. So it becomes magnesium ion. It is losing how many electrons? 2 electrons. You write 2 plus. It is losing 2 electrons. As a result of losing the electrons, it becomes magnesium cation or cation. Plus, it is losing 2 electrons, 2e minus. 2e minus. It is losing 2 electrons. It is 2e minus. So it becomes, it gains octet configuration 2, 8 because these 2 electrons are lost. Now chlorine, you know to write the electronic configuration of chlorine. Chlorine is 17, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Chlorine atom 2, 8, next is 7. To attain the octet configuration, chlorine gains the electron lost by magnesium. Chlorine, it is receiving 1 electron. Magnesium is losing 2 electrons. Now, 1 chlorine atom is receiving 1 electron. As a result of this, it becomes chloride ion. Now, its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 8. Now it is octet configuration. This is chloride ion. Chloride ion. Students, don't confuse because magnesium chloride is MgCl2. Magnesium is donating 2 electrons. 1 chlorine atom receives 1 electron. Second chlorine atom receives the second electron. Don't confuse. Magnesium is losing 2 electrons. Here there are 2 chlorine atoms, MgCl2. Now let us write its formation. Magnesium, Mg. How many electrons? Dot structure 2 because it is donating 2 electrons. Plus chlorine. How many chlorine atoms? 2. MgCl2. 1 chlorine atom with 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electrons. One more chlorine atom because MgCl2 with 7 electrons. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, this electron from here occupies this place. There is a shortage of 1 electron for chlorine. Now, this electron occupies this place. Now, it is equal to Mg. Magnesium is donating how many electrons? 2 electrons. You write 2 plus magnesium is donating 2 electrons. Now, write for chlorine. Chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 1. Now, it is 1 chlorine atom receives 1 electron. 1 chlorine atom receives 1 electron. How many chlorine atoms are here? 2. So, you have to write 2 here. MgCl2. Don't confuse. This is 1 chlorine atom. 1 chlorine atom receives 1 electron. Together there are 2 chlorine atoms. Here, magnesium and chloride ions, they are oppositely charged. They attract each other to form a strong electrostatic force. This is how magnesium chloride is formed. The compounds formed by the transfer of electrons from a metal to a non-metal are known as ionic compounds. Magnesium is a metal. Chlorine is a non-metal. The compounds formed by the transfer of electrons from a metal to a non-metal are known as ionic compounds or called electrovalent compounds. Example, sodium chloride, magnesium chloride. What are the properties of ionic compounds? You know, common salt. What is its physical state? They are solids and hard and brittle. Then they have high melting point and boiling point. They are soluble in water, you know that, and they are insoluble in organic solvents. They are good conductors of electricity in solution state. Under the lesson acids and bases, I told you to conduct one activity. Acid solution in water conducts electricity. In that, take some samples. Sodium chloride also given in the activity. If you have not done, do once again and check whether it conducts electricity. Now let us see how magnesium oxide is formed. Formation of magnesium oxide. Magnesium atomic number is 12. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. So you write its dot structure first. Mg with how many electrons? 2 electrons. It is losing these 2 electrons from the outermost shell. Oxygen atomic number is 8. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Write its dot structure. Here magnesium, oxygen. Here there is a shortage of 2 electrons. So oxygen is receiving 2 electrons from magnesium. So it is Mg2 plus. Magnesium is donating 2 electrons. Oxygen is receiving, look here, 2 electrons. So it is 2 minus. Oxygen is receiving 2 electrons. It is 2 minus. Let us see the formation of sodium oxide, Na2O, 2 atoms of sodium. Sodium electronic configuration, here 2 atoms. So for this is the dot structure for one sodium atom. Oxygen you know to write with 6 electrons. Sodium, 2 atoms of sodium you have to write. Same like magnesium chloride. You have written there 2 atoms of chlorine, 2 atoms of sodium. For oxygen there is a shortage of 2 electrons. So 1 electron from here occupies this place. 1 electron from here occupies this place. So sodium Na plus, 1 sodium is losing 1 electron. So it is Na plus. Here you have to write 2 because there are 2 sodium atoms. Here it is 2. Then oxygen is receiving how many electrons? These 2. 2 minus. This is how sodium oxide formed. Learn these dot structures. Learn to write the formation of magnesium chloride, sodium chloride, magnesium oxide, sodium oxide. It is important for 3 marks. Students, refer your textbook, page number 48, figure 3.8. Testing the conductivity of a salt solution. Activity 3.13. Take samples of sodium chloride. Then other samples are given. You no need to take. You take only sodium chloride, uppu, what you use to cook the food. You conduct the activity and answer the questions which are given in the activity part. What is the physical state of the salt? It is solid. Write in the textbook. Then you see what is your inference about the nature of these compounds. Answer those questions in the textbook itself. Draw this diagram in your notebook, important diagram for the exam. I will send the PDF of this part, answer in your notebook. Read the lesson from page number 46, 47, 48, 49.